In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to an image in your content creation tool of choice. Adding links to images is a fantastic way to enhance your user experience, guiding your viewers or readers seamlessly to related information or resources. To start this process, ensure that you have your desired image ready to go and upload it into your content platform. This might be a photo relevant to your topic or perhaps a graphic you designed to lead to a more detailed article or website. Once your image is uploaded, locate it within your project or document. This first step is crucial as it sets the stage for the integration of your link, ensuring the image is ready for the next steps. Now, let's move on to the main action, linking. Look around for the link icon within your editing tool or software. It usually appears as a small chain or chain link, often placed around the editing toolbar. Clicking this icon will tell your software that you're ready to insert a web address, connecting your selected image with its intended destination. Upon clicking the link icon, you'll notice a field or dialog box appearing where you can type or paste the URL. Make sure you have the correct URL already copied or prepared. It's often helpful to double check the web address beforehand to avoid any broken links or errors. There's nothing more frustrating than a hyperlink that doesn't lead to the right place. Enter the URL into the designated field, ensuring it's complete, starting with HTTP or HTTPS. With the URL enter, it's time to confirm your changes by hitting the Save button. This step finalizes the association between your image and your chosen link, embedding the URL so that the image becomes interactive. In most interfaces, the Save or Apply button is clearly marked, but if you're unsure, take a moment to ensure that your changes have been properly applied. Look for any visual indications that the link setup is successful. And there you have it. Your image is now successfully linked. By following these steps, you've effectively created a clickable image that leads your audience to where they can learn more or engage further. This method is particularly advantageous in navigating users to specific articles, products, or any other significant content effortlessly. Remember, the key to a successful image hyperlink lies in accuracy and attention to detail. Always double check your URL and ensure that it's directing users to the correct page. Adding these enhanced images to your content not only enriches user interaction, but also boosts the overall functionality and dynamism of your site or document. Thank you for tuning in to this quick tutorial, and make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to amplify your digital project.